Rich Friday, you know. Like telling you, you know, you see me, I never friend Pretti Don, I'm rated on, I just pay to one man to come on here, yard, come pay your dog. I have a voice note in your phone to hear it.
Hey, Batty man, circle who? Yeah, we're not friend. So now, people, from August, me not deal with the brother. That is a clear indication why me not want to deal with you. You see, one time you ramp with my marriage after me come out of jail and I try to get back right with my wife. And at the first time that me come around your sign and a war would come, just because me come around you and your fucked up energy. Because you see, choose someone on a rate for no woman them. You see, choose someone on a rate for no woman them. Or no, we say anything for your next man go beat up and doing woman any kind of thing you would. That's why Camille don't like you. If Camille see you 5 times in her life, she never touch you 2 times. Because she don't like you. My wife says she sick the parasite in you. You see me? One time you are going to look for me and tell me, say, Camille, come diss me up in front of you and the rest of them right here, so call me bitch ass nigga and pussy this and pussy that. What you mean? Me wrong for make an idiot get in my head because you ever tell people say you can't read. Now me feel stupid to make somebody without an intellectual bumbleclot meditation even come in my bumbleclot head. And tell me sitting about my wife when you go so me and her can come round here and war. But me avoid you for the whole lifetime. Me avoid you. Me not look for you. You stay over there. Me not look at you. Nobody knows me not like you right now. Nobody know. Because me just sit down and hold it. Because as I say, me can't blame you for what me and my wife did go through after what you say now. Because that's all my fault. That's all my fault for even believe. Say the woman when me know say love me more than anything would than do what you say. But why would you even have any blood clot intention to even tell me that about my wife? When me know Camille not even like that. So me shouldn't even take it. But then me I look on it and I say, this is one you want to tell me a lie. Why would you tell me a lie? This I mean I say look like come and have a bad day. You see me? You look like come and have a bad day, so come and deal with me wicked. You see me, I say? Watch you now. 3 days ago, I see world girl go up on the blood clot internet. Oh, I see something to put up some party, look. The first time it did say Fort Lauderdale, now it's a Murmur. One people, me and the batty man and have no party at the same place. You hear me I tell you? Look up blood clot batty boy. Since you say you have a whole heap of secret for me, I can start. Because you're depend in your talk about who a poop or a toss, you know. You tell people say you buy a house, which is a lie. Tell them a who for lease you live on. Because your name not even good enough for in a blood clot foreign to get your own lease. Every day you get up on your talk, you suck pussy this, your ex-girl did say that. Remember how your ex-girl and her family, them big old girl. Let me ask you a question. What can you say about me? Because I never trust you with a deep dark secret yet. Because you know nobody to tell blood clot secret. Because you come like a 1953 bomber clot fridge. For your blood clot man, you not name man, you name mama blood clot man. All of my fans, them have to have sticky because none of them can have blood clot X because X is wrong. Sticky right. You dunce and want people for praise if you dunceness enough on a blood clot will run back at him. Just as blood clot illiterate as this fucking fool. This bumbo clot boy are going to come tell me about him. This your boy girl not upon in level. Let me tell you this, me no want upon no level with no boy because me no compete. That's why me no run and that's why me stop play blood clot football. You want be the blood clot man on the internet, take it. Pussy, everybody knows how you are the problem. Because everywhere you go, you create a blood clot problem, then you sit down and you play a victim. Yo dog, me can't believe that somebody, you You say everybody bad mind when everybody can look. I always you sit down and play a victim and me and the rest of people them like me, Marvin, Stego vibes, the whole of them are we wrong, you know. You are you perfect. You are the blood clot one way. Yeah man, me? Yeah man, me a God. Boy, me no praise boy. You see the whole of the boy, them we have a ticklish blood clot face. With leaf in a your little blood clot backyard, boy, me no run Batman joke. As much as me a sodomite. No boy can watch me sleep. Like you. Every day you have blood clot man in your blood clot face a bus bump. Boy, you know sister you want big bump clot batty boy every day you cuss me as a sodomite me suck pussy. So what me supposed to do? You know sister tongue me about me and me love Camila she married to me. My blood clot a go name pussy. And ex-girl this, ex-girl that. Bumbuckle, you remember your ex-girl did a big pussy boy. Come tell the people about the house where you have round there. Say you're not even there for your own a bumbuckle at least because your name is corruption in a blood clot foreign. You can't even fix the bimmer we have in your yard when you need a transmission. Boy, no rich. Oh, no rich, you can't buy a tire, you have to plug it. Oh, you're rich and you can't buy a transmission for your car. Oh, you're rich and you can't fix your credit. Oh, your blood clot rich as somebody else have a blood clot sign your lease. Oh, you rich when you can tell me, say, oh, you this your girl clown. Oh, so you can get up and this Tina every day to be the man. Me now, if idolize you, we get up and this your woman every day just to be the man. Oh, yo, oh, me and she left when the woman still sleeping in your bed every night so you can get the little idiot. You made them with the whole heap of X of garden them crutches under your life. X. I bet so no bumbo clot Bex card through Instagram delete your look a blood clot 500,000 page. You come and take out your corruption and blood clot problem for me. So why if my bumbo clot party on December the 17th for Murmur Park with your pussy, me and your blood clot share bumbo clot fans? None of my fans them even like you. None of your fans them not like me. I mean I like them blood clot neither. Go suck your blood clot big pussy girl them when you have a blood clot road. You change girl after girl in a blood clot dance. You have to live with girl because a girl alone can blood clot help you. You live off a girl credit in a foreign boy. You are like a blood clot boy. Go show the people them feel title where you say your bumbo clot by us. You can't even buy a blood clot car battery. Much less bumbo clot by us in a foreign. Pussy you have no credit in a bumbo clot foreign for boy you buy blood clot us. Nobody know you in a bumbo clot foreign. But you me a scammer, the whole of them want to know. Move, pussy me know how it go already. People ain't give them like a stolen credit card that you got a machine go take you like a 10% off it. Move, batty boy. Get on a little jug of bumbo clot money, what you do? Go buy blood clot beer shoes and no clothes to go with the batty boy. That you do. Little pussy clot upcoming Mexican fish. Look like one of the Texas batty man them in a blood clot tights and long boot. Batty boy, every day you walk up this, me so wife my blood clot suck pussy. Hey boy, how much time you talk about you no fuck batty again? I'm in a business with your brother, a year cocky. You should be where you want blood clot, should be youth. Man pedal and wheel in your bumbo clot batty walla who. I don't give a fuck about that. You say you no fuck man again. I don't know when, but if I did know or then, I don't give a fuck youth. That a your thing pussy. Don't come pick up no blood clot problem with me. So you have your personal problem over there. I mean make Instagram delete your page. Batty man go build back your bumbo clot page. And you is a workless businessman. You wonder what do you want to delete my big bumbo clot page. You see me give no trouble? Me no give no trouble or ask no batty boy if you no help. Because I always have my own back. Because I am my ribs, I am my blood clot back. Me! So me have this page and that the page. So don't come over here so come take out your bumbo clot problem for me. A little blood clot pile drive batty boy in a bumbo clot Texas boat. Look a pussy hole. Everybody will watch roommates can see say yeah the blood clot problem. He's a bumbo clot disgrace of a pussy clot friend. You know what? Nothing good for people only your blood clot self. You want wicked black fire coal bumbo hole. Pussy. He's a big blood clot germs. Circle. Oh! Who you say you go circle? Hey people, watch out. Mama couldn't hear them friend you. I'm not gonna hear them friend of that.
Rich Friday, call Rich Friday, you know. Like telling you, youth. You see, me, I never friend Pretti Don and rated them. I just pay to one man to come on here and come page your dog. I have a voice note in your phone to hear it.
Hey, Batty man, circle who? You can't come tell me about me. You can't circle me, Batty man. Hey, pussy, when you come a blood clot foreign and you buy up some gun and have some whole heap of man around you now and you feel like you're bad. Batty boy, you can't run for my block. No day, because me no show a gun. Me no have them the time, the boy. I lock up pussy hole like you. Because the time when you come on the internet and bring down my name, why you never tell them say the sheriff call you? Eh? Boy, your blood clot rich. Rich what? And I thief G my money? G call me and I tell me say, you can't even pay for $150 for a man bag of blood clot weed. Why you rich? What part are you rich? Rich where? Rich people not live in a blood clot house so they own. You want nothing? You want blood clot nothing? Go buy the transmission for the Benz, rich boy. You know your blood clot white church out neck shirt, them boy. What? Pussy hole. And go buy some clothes to go with the blood clot shoes them. Me have $10,000 worth of shoes and $5 worth of clothes. Go boy. And go buy some brief. You brief them church out in a bumbo clot. You know your cowboy boot and blood clot tights. Why not for you all your little blood clot man friend them see? Print out your little blood clot sausage. Move Batty boy grace for sign you with your little blood clot sausage in your clothes. I feel we are touching. Oh, me are too brief. That's what me hold on you. Which hood? You ever have you stuff your blood clot front with socks? Because you're not blessed blood clot that's with your little 5 foot oompa loompa blood clot self. Oh, me for blood clot red. You think I have this? Boy, me a 5'11". Me not even have to jump your knee in your face. I thump boy like you want look a midget. Go and go suck out your big pussy girl them. Where you have a road where you claim to say, me love Tina, but me and your mouth that girl your vagina. Move your stinking blood clot for you, so. You tell we say you no fuck Batty again and we no blood clot trouble you. Everywhere you go you make a blood clot problem. And then you talk about, you gonna love about who a bad mind you? Why nobody a bad mind you for? You not make no blood clot money off of YouTube, Batty.